Okay, remember to look out for your sister. What do you think she's saying, guys? Okay, remember, we're being careful. Gentle, Gabriel. Yes, Mama. Is Naomi tired? All right, one last big jump from everybody.
Why? Why, Mom?
Because I'm going to turn this off. I want to see everybody's best jump. Look out for your sister. Whoa! Okay, let's see yours. Go for it, Elias. Whoa!